In Korea, the use of information technology in agriculture has led to a rise in these plant factories, which many refer to as fields of the future. Up next, let's see what we can dig up on Korea's high-tech plant factories.
Recently, a new kind of farming has made an appearance. With this new approach, plants are grown inside buildings without soil or sunlight, what we commonly know as the essential elements for growing plants. Instead, it only requires minimized manpower. Such an innovative way of cultivation is carried out in places called plant factories. The conventional understanding is that soil, sunlight and water are required for cultivating plants. However, this understanding does not apply to plant factories. This is because soil can be replaced with nutrient-infused water, and sunlight can be replaced with light-emitting diodes or LEDs. There is a medium-sized firm that is actualizing cultivation in plant factories, which had seemed like something so far into the future. This firm, which raises and sells the seedlings of 5 vegetables, including Lolo Rosa lettuce, multigreen and basil, in a self-invented plant factory, can produce approximately 10,000 blades at once. Because rows of vegetables neatly planted like eggs in large cartons are grown under LED lighting in a space with adequately controlled temperature and humidity, there is no need to worry about weather, disease or insects. This is a system that has been invented over a course of 5 years. As the vegetables are grown in nutrient-infused water, they have clean roots, and as there isn't a need for pesticides or chemical fertilizers, they are literally pollution-free, well-being vegetables. Another attraction of plant factories is that as they are vertical farms in which plastic shelves are piled high one over another, a several-fold harvest is possible in a small amount of space compared to the traditional farms. By selling the raised seedlings to large-scale markets and restaurants, the company turns over $200,000 a year. However, the most important source of income is the plant factory itself, not the seedlings.
이렇게 생산할 수 있는 생산형이 있고, 그리고 업소나 카페 같은 데 쓸 수 있는 모듈형이 있고요. 그 다음에 오토팜이 있고, 슬림형 식물 공장이 있고, 나아가 저희 지금 개발 중인 가정용 총 4가지가 있습니다.
The major characteristic of the auto farm model is that vegetables can be produced in a minimized amount of space, and that of the slim model is that the interior decoration effect has been maximized while maintaining the function of the plant factory. In the case of the slim model, it has been constructed with a hallway, allowing the user to utilize the hallway for cultivation. Also, another advantage is that all sides are surrounded with glass, allowing the user to check the vegetables with the naked eye. Such high technical skills have been widely recognized, resulting in foreign exports of the model.
저희가 지금 해봤던 건 한 50종류 되고요. 엽채류가 한 4, 50개, 그리고 이제 허브류 같이 포함하면은 한 60, 70개 정도 됩니다. 바질, 세이지 같은 허브류도 되고요. 저희가 한 10군데 이상을 납품을 했기 때문에 그 업소에 맞춰서 저희가 육묘를 공급하고 있습니다.
All of these efforts combined have resulted in an increasing number of restaurants utilizing plant factories. Apart from the harvest of organic vegetables and the decoration effect, fresh air is another bonus. On the contrary, the carbon dioxide emitted by people enters the plant factory, eliminating the need of an air purifier. In addition, eating food made with immediately harvested vegetables is a rare experience in the city.
일반적인 밭에서 나오는 것보다 확실히 좀 식감이랄까? 좀 질긴 거는 좀 덜해요. 좀 씹히는 맛은 굉장히 부드럽고, 그리고 이제 풍미가 그렇게 세진 않은데 은은하게 잘 나옵니다. 네. 맛도 굉장히 부드럽고요.
This cafe is packed on weekday evenings with people who come to eat fresh food. The most famous dish here is the sandwich. When an order is placed, the chef goes into the plant factory, harvests 4 different kinds of vegetables, including Lola Rosa, multigreen, multi-baby and romaine lettuce, and begins cooking. Such a scene has become possible since last May. The customers, who had first visited the cafe out of curiosity, thinking that the vegetables were for display, have become regular customers.
아니 이렇게 소비자분들한테 너무 신뢰가 가는 그런 모습과 이렇게 키우는 걸 보여주시니까 저희도 또 안심하고 먹을 수 있는 것 같아서 또 제가 더 먹으면서 건강해지는 거 그런 걸 느낄 수 있어서 너무 감사하게 먹을 수 있는 것 같아요.
지금 매출에 있어서 뭐 큰 차이가 난 것보다는 그런 고객님들께 정말 신선하고 그다음에 유기농으로서 건강에 좋을 수 있는 그 신뢰감이 저희에게는 가장 큰 무기라고 생각합니다.
The motivation for plant factory research first began with environmental issues. According to experts, the area of farmland decreases by 10% with every degree risen in the Earth's temperature due to global warming. Not only that, but the frequent changes in weather result in unsustainable crop production. There are additional environmental issues that rise to the fore in farming. Carbon emitted while transporting agricultural products are also a major problem. From this perspective, food mileage is the issue that is drawing the most interest nowadays.
문제는 채산성 확보인데요. 향후 기상이 악화되고 그리고 경작지가 축소되고 경작할 수 있는 인구가 축소되면은 당연히 집중해서 기를 수 있는 버티컬 팜이나 아니면 스카이 팜 같은 류의 식물 공장이 생길 건데요. 그러기 위해서는 꾸준히 초기 설치비를 줄여야 되고요. 유통이나 그리고 이제 물류 비용을 줄여가지고 채산성을 확보하는 게 가장 큰 관점이라고 보고 있습니다.
Plant factories may not be an issue felt in the bones because an urgent need for them is not recognized. However, we are experiencing for ourselves abnormal climate changes, including localized torrential downpours and drought. Thus, in the near future, plant factories will rise as the core technology regarding the future of food. This is all the more reason to why we must pay attention to plant factories, the high-tech farming technique.